The TruXedo Sentry CT bed cover, the ultimate combination of tough as nails build and damn it looks good. It's made right here in the US and is constructed with interlocked aluminum slats covered with a premium grade woven matte black fabric. Just take a look at how this combination of materials not only provides durability, but also gives your truck a clean blacked out appearance. Now what's great about this cover is that it functions like a soft roll-up cover. You can easily access your truck bed by simply rolling the cover up, and when you need to secure it for driving, these handy straps will keep it in place. Opening and closing the cover is a breeze, and thanks to the slam latches, you can do it from either side without any hassle. Plus, there's an additional security latch near the center of the truck bed for added strength and security. Industrial grade hook and loop fasteners ensure the cover is sealed tightly along the bed rails, which helps keep water and debris out of your truck bed. That's crucial for keeping your cargo safe and dry. The low-profile rails feature a self-leveling design that speeds up the installation process, and they sit inside the truck bed to help keep your stake pockets available. The TruXedo Sentry CT bed cover is the ultimate combination of functionality and security for your truck bed. If you want to know more about the TruXedo Sentry CT bed cover, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.